I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I told you all that this one was coming. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this box. Now, first things first, here's the box, and this box comes from Nike. Alright, now I know I've been out of the States for a few years, but since when? I thought Nike boxes had a Nike swoosh somewhere. There's nothing on here. Okay, this says a little spot on the bottom, it says Nike, but this is great. This is great. Now there's nothing on here that somebody will see a big swoosh and want to rob me. So this is great. No tape on it here, so let's go ahead and get into it. How do I think I give? Okay. Boom. Alright, rip that up. Throw that over there. Okay. And then we boom. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Cause you all know Big Roth, proud member of the Lebron gang. Alright, now this is a different box, as you can see, but it does say LeBron James going around. LeBron James 18 Nike 2020-21. Just do it, BBZ, for his children, 330. It's his logo. Alright, so this is the new LeBron 18 box. Alright, I like it. I like it. Engineered to the exact specifications of LeBron James. Alright, LBJ crown logo there, Nike swoosh. These are the LeBron 18s, baby. Black pink blast multicolor. Alright, size 14 on these boys. Okay, now I was able to get these for a little bit cheaper. I think I got these for about $173. You know, before I paid the little extra to have it shipped here for 2 days. So $173, not bad. But let's go ahead and get into these. Boom. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Whoo! Yes, sir. 18s, baby. Left shoe first, baby. Yeah. Whoo! Whoo! This is my first time looking at them. I didn't cheat. I didn't cheat and open the box before the video and get a sneak peek. Wow. Wow, these are the LeBron 18 James gang. Wow. My toe box, they smashed me a little bit because the shoe tree slid, but whatever, no big deal. Actually, let's go ahead and take the shoe tree up out of here. Wow. Whoo. These are dope. These are dope. I couldn't see that, you know, the writing and things that are on the back here. This is a clear backing, and there's like drawings or almost like a graffiti, old school kind of 90s coloring in the back there. I like it, man. I like it. I couldn't see that. You couldn't really tell that from the pictures. Then, okay, on going around here, it says from the city of Akron, Ohio. All right. So that's a nice touch. It's a lot of things going on here. You can see that blue and green colors going around there. All the way around the midsole here. Look at that. Or the upper, my bad. All around white there. These are dope, man. Just looking at the details. The front going across there says Lifetime. Alright. And then let's look at the tongue. Tongue is a little, I don't know about that tongue. It's kind of flat. I don't know. If I'm nitpicking right now and I'm saying I don't like something based off of how it looks, the tongue right now would be it. And I don't know about that tongue. But you do have your Lion King here on the top. And then James Gang in the middle. That says James Gang there in the middle. And on the bottom, it looks like his signature. It looks like the Lebron signature. They're very colorful. Speaking of very colorful, look at the bottoms. Boom. You have the LeBron logo dead center there. Air unit going around. Then this kind of looks like up in this area, like some of that React. Not sure if the air unit goes all the way through. Kind of looks like it's React there, but we'll see once I put it on. On the back, you have more of the LeBron logo there. Very nice. The laces are pink and black with hits of green. You guys know I like that pink and black. Very nice, man. Pink Nike swoosh there. Alright. Now, just to see if there's any differences, let's go ahead and pull out the right boy. Pull out the right boy. Right shoe. Second. Alright, on the right boy, we got it's pretty much the same. It's pretty much the exact same. This one says on the back 1984. Established 1984. Oh, going around here. Established 1984. Same things going on in the back. Little differences. I can see right now they switched up the pink and the blue, so you see that blue swoosh there on the back of the right boy, pink. And then what was pink on the toe box there is blue. It was pink on the left and blue on the right. Beyond that, they are pretty much identical. Let's look at the bottoms. The styles are the same. The Chosen is on the front of the right instead of Lifetime. It says Chosen. So, you know, he's the chosen one. And he's been doing it for a lifetime. So, you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here we are on feet. Man, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and turn to the side. Now, here is the tricky part. Alright. This is my big toe. This is my big toe right here. I have a little bit of space right here. From here, like maybe like that much space here. That's my big toe. Alright. Width wise, they fit perfect. But they just are a little bit long with a 14 there. I feel like a size 13 and a half as far as length would be the perfect size. However, they do not make the unicorn size in these. So I had to get a 14 because I don't think a 13 would, I think a 13 would be too small. So unfortunately in these I cannot get my true size 13 and a half. But I'll make this 14 work just like I do in pretty much all my other shoes. But beyond that, fit nice. They fit nice. Definitely fit good. Alright. Boom. Let's go ahead and get some of that coming at ya. Yeah, look at the multicolors, baby. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it on these. Yo, definitely a dope shoe. Glad that I was able to pick these up. They're not selling out. They're not a hard cop. This is a GR. So they're sitting available on Nike.com right now. If you want a pair, head on over to Nike.com and get you some. Alright, so one thing I forgot to mention is on the inside here, you have the James Gang again splattered there on the insole. And also, this back where your heel sits, whoo, lots of cushion. And it's secure. It's real secure right there. It's a bunch of cushion in the back heel plate area, and it's secure. Normally my foot kind of slides a little. I can move my foot and slide it, which would cover, you know, if there's a little bit of extra space, I can slide my foot up and have a little bit, I can kind of offset it in the back, you know. But on these, my foot ain't going nowhere. It's like it's locked down. I like that. I like that a lot about this shoe. So that's gonna do it on this one, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And before I go, I want to say that now that the Lebron 18 is in-house, if you've been following this channel this year, you've noticed that I did a Jordan versus LeBron sneaker battle. And as of right now, LeBron is up 9-8. And we had to stop at the 17. But now that these are here, we can go and have the next battle between 18s. Alright, now I do want to get maybe a few more colorways, or at least see a few more colorways of the LeBron 18 before we head into this battle, because it's not an easy one for the LeBron. This isn't going to be one of those series where it's an easy win, get this out of here, like the 19 is going to be. Whatever LeBron could come out with next year is going to beat the 19 in the Jordans for me. Jordan 19 is one of the ugliest Jordans ever to me. So No win for Jordan on that one. But the 18s happen to be one of my favorite Jordans. So, it's not going to be an easy win for LeBron. But I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.